Good morning, I am Nicholas and you're watching The Hot Topic. Today's hot topic is the financial news. All of it. There is so much news out this week that it's difficult to choose which one is the hottest. So here's a roundup of the news to trade this week. This Thursday will be the second Super Thursday for the Bank of England with the release of an interest rate decision, the meeting minutes and the final inflation report of the year. All eyes will be on the pound and any indications for rate hikes ahead of the Fed. On Friday, we have the all-important NFP report, which will be released from the US. The NFP is perhaps the most interesting indicator globally, as it can dramatically affect the US dollar. And since 90% of global trades include the dollar, it pretty much impacts everything. Also, on Thursday, we have an interest rate decision from Norway. We have the purchasing managers' indices due this week from China, Europe, and the UK that should shed some light on the health of these economies' manufacturing sectors. So a lot of data. What are the expectations and what might this mean for the markets though? Super Thursday is not expected to show a change in policy. With uncertain global outlooks, slowing growth and tight fiscal policy, the UK economy is not in the best state for an interest rate hike. As for the US, there have been signs the labor market is slowing, with average monthly NFPs around 167,000 for the third quarter, as opposed to 231,000 monthly average in the second quarter. Though October's NFP data is expected to be up to 180,000, September took everyone for a surprise with a low 142,000. A weaker NFP may lower the chances of a rate hike for the Fed before the end of the year. US manufacturing is slow following oil industry cutbacks. October's manufacturing PMI that came in on Monday this week slipped further to 50.1 from September's 50.2, leading to expectations that Wednesday's non-manufacturing PMI will also weaken. None of this is good news for the dollar. But with German industrial production for September due on Friday, we may also see action for the euro, especially as expectations are for reduced growth to 1.3 from August's 2.3. So with all these market-moving news events due, what will you be trading? I am Nicholas and you have been watching The Hot Topic.